Hi, my love. Welcome. I'm your host, Jyoti Khatri. Today, we are going to explore and form the deeper connection to our real self. This guided meditation is for self love. Deepen the sense of unconditional love towards oneself, thereby projecting it to the others. Let's start the journey of self love and healing together. Lay down on your back with neck and spine straight, perfectly aligned left and right. Shoulders relaxed. Slowly bend your knees. Bring both the soles of the feet together. You can place pillows or folded blankets under your knees and behind your head if required. Just make yourself comfortable. You can also practice this guided meditation while sitting on the chair or cross-legged, with or without wall support. Choose the one that feels comfortable to you. Just make yourself comfortable, keeping your spine straight in whichever position you decided to go for. Then gently close your eyes and allow your body to relax completely. Try to loosen the conscious control over all the body parts. Make all the body parts comfortable. If you find any of your body parts are tensed or stressed, adjust your position, make yourself comfortable. Soften your gaze and try to bring your attention towards your breath. Observe your breath as it is, without trying to control or bring changes into it. Just observe the breath as you inhale and exhale. Taking slow and deep breath in and out from your nose. Inhale slow. Exhale completely. Take slow and deep breath from your nose. Inhaling slowly and gently through your nose. And exhale completely through the nose. Focus your entire attention towards your breath. Now, gently bring both the hands on the center of your chest, on your heart center. Taking slow and deep breath in and out through the nose. Keep breathing in and out through the nose, observing every inhalation and exhalation. Keep observing your breath, focusing entire attention towards your breath. Observe your breath, and there comes a point where your breath becomes smooth and even. you'll start feeling the calmness of mind and body. With every exhalation, release all the negative thoughts, negative emotions, any fears that are holding you back. With every inhalation and exhalation, fill yourself with love and compassion. Showing the love and compassion to yourself the way you show it to the others. Feel that unconditional love entering into your body with every inhalation and expanding to every cell of your body as you exhale. Now, with every breath you inhale, say to yourself mentally, I'm choosing to be my higher self. Then observe yourself becoming the higher self. Say to yourself mentally, I am taking charge of my happiness. I choose to create a life that brings peace and harmony inside out. I am freeing myself from the judgment of others. I consciously choose to focus on things that I can control and let go of things that I can't. Slowly observe the feeling of the warmth of that love spreading throughout your body. A sense of calmness and comfort within you, creating and becoming the safe place for yourself, where you accept yourself the way you are, showing unconditional love and kindness to yourself in no matter what situation you are in. You deserve the love. You are worthy of love in every situation. Unaffected by the judgment of others, you become the unconditional love, self-love. Now slowly bring your awareness towards your body. Take a few deep and mindful breaths. And when you feel you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remain still in the position and allow your body to absorb the energy that has been created during this practice. Feel that energizing effect on yourself, on your being. And when you you feel you are ready, slowly move your body and gently come out of it. Namaste.